Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? I am Ladia Ann Silvis and I go by Coach Ladia Ann, and welcome to my Mindset for Success channel. Alright, my channel is about for all of you YouTubers out there and in the YouTube world. This channel talks about your mindset, how to be successful, and actually in this video I want to talk about the importance of uploading videos on the YouTube channel. So this is a message for all newbies, those that are starting a YouTube channel, those that actually already making videos. Okay, some days like me, I've been making YouTube videos for a while, but then there's days that I feel like, now what is the next content am I going to make, what type of video I'm going to make next, and sometimes I am stuck. So like the past couple days I've been stuck. So what do you do when you're stuck? Get on that laptop, get on your YouTube channel, whatever video editor you have, start recording and just keep uploading. Because if you're serious about making money on YouTube, it's going to take a while, and those that are successful upload videos every day, persistently, consistently. So if you are determined to grow on YouTube and you want to make some extra income, there's a lot of people are making now, it took them to build their YouTube channel, but those that have millions and maybe thousands of videos already uploaded, if they've been uploading every day for 5 years, now that's when you're going to see the money coming in, because you're persistent. You pressed through. One of your videos made it to the top. You know, the algorithm just broke the record for your YouTube channel. So sometimes it takes a while and you're not going to see any money. It doesn't matter. If you keep uploading videos, you're going to see that growth eventually. And right now, you know, I've been setting goals and my channel, and my oldest videos I talked about getting my channel monetized, you know, and it took work. And I worked with other millionaire mentors that actually have a program about the YouTube ad program, where you can, the students under the Wesley Virgin, he's Wesley's $1 billion virgin, he actually has a YouTube ad program where people can come in and create their channels together and support each other's channels, watch each other's videos, leave likes and comments. This is a great way to start, how to get started in the monetization program with Wesley Virgin. And if you want that link below, go link and watch the webinar with We Do It For You services, and you're going to see a link below. Okay, just click on that link, register to the webinar, and let them know you're interested in a YouTube ad program. What that webinar talks about is they talk about the Done For You services, and what they do is they help anyone online that's new make money online. And so they take you step by step. You got people to work with you in that program, guiding you, helping you, and helping you make your first income online. And they actually do that. So if you're interested, go ahead, click on the link below. We do it for you services. Okay, and if you're interested in working on your mindset, go ahead. I have a link in my description about the Genie script, and it's only like cost of a dinner. It's only like I think it's like $36. But that is a great program course, and it helps you line up with your goals, your vision. It helps you with your mindset, and that's that's one of the courses that has actually helped me succeed. Uh, I became successful, and I don't look at failures anymore. I look at growing. And with the growth mindset, you have to feed your mind new things, new opportunities to keep going, to keep growing, to establish and brand yourself. Now, I didn't know what to talk about on this video, and I'm just sharing with you from my heart that if you are wanting to make money online, you know, my videos will help you, encourage you, but you have to actually take action. You actually have to do it. All right, you can't just watch other people grow and motivate you. You actually have to tell yourself, okay, I'm going to start. You actually have to make that decision, and you actually have to just step out of the boundaries and do something uncomfortable. If you are afraid of uploading videos, or you never actually talked on a camera, or just to share about you. Now, I remember a long time ago, I felt very insecure with myself. So even if I tried to record myself, I would say to myself, you know what, I don't like that recording, and I would erase it. And then I would watch myself, and the confidence level I had back then was not very good. So I kept working on it and working on it. I kept doing podcasts, uploading a recorder on my phone, and I would, like, wherever I go, I would walk to the park, I would talk to myself, I would share about myself, what I'm doing, and actually that's a really great way how to get to know who you are. Because a lot of times we don't listen to ourselves. A lot of times we don't listen to what we are like. Only if you pay attention to yourself. Because a lot of times we have our eyes set on other people, and we never set our eyes on ourselves, and we always feel insecure about ourselves, and we always look at others that are successful, and then you know, when you look at them, you go, I wish I was just like her, or just like him. But in reality, you're like, well, I don't know if I could do this. I don't know if I could do that, you know. But if you try and you work on yourself, and if you work on being who you are, listening to yourself, getting to know who you are, and eventually when you start making videos, you're gonna come out naturally. The authentic you is gonna come out. People are gonna see, wow, look at her, you know. And I'm actually proud of myself. I don't feel in camera shy anymore. I'm not shy when I'm looking at the camera, and when I'm recording myself, I just record one video like this and I upload it. Before, it would take like, oh, take 1, take 2, take 3, I don't like it, take 4, and it would be like forever. And now I just, like, when I record a video, I just talk right now, and I feel really good about myself. And as long as I feel, you know, like I'm special, as long as I feel I'm happy when I'm doing and when I'm enjoying, I'm gonna upload this video, because that's actually how I feel. And after, you know, connecting with you guys, all right, I didn't know what to talk about, because I was stuck with the content. What am I gonna talk about this time? Anyway, just continue to upload videos. If you are a newbie with YouTube, you know, you want to start a channel, start one. All right, and I recommend click on the link to my Etsy shop. I have a YouTube personal guide that will help you. Actually, you can print it out. It's a PDF form. You can print it, you know, set up your vision, what kind of channel you want to create. You know, it is a journal, all right, and it'll help you, guide you in creating your channel, your YouTube channel. So find what you're good at, find out the niche that you love, what you enjoy doing, and start there. Okay, and then go on to YouTube. You know, do your research on YouTube, how to start a YouTube channel. There's so many YouTubers out there that want to teach you how to do it. All right, and just create your channel. All right, everyone, thank you for listening to me. I am going to go right now. I have lots to do. I have my other channel. I have to upload a video there because I need to do that. That channel is also monetized as well as this channel, and so I have to keep uploading videos on that on that channel and upload videos here. And sometimes I get stuck, and when I get stuck, I just create a video just like this. All right, everyone, talk to you soon. If you're new to my channel, smash that like button, leave your comment, and watch my latest uploaded video fresh. Okay, every day I'm daily uploading videos, so keep coming back, check it out, whatever new I have, you know. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to watch my suggestive videos too as well. All right, bye everyone, talk to you all soon. Bye.